Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the brand new Windows 11 on unsupported computers using a legendary one-command trick that still works perfectly in 2026. We are going to download the official Microsoft ISO and use a simple command to skip those strict hardware checks. No TPM, no secure boot, no problem. Let us jump right in. First things first, we need to get the official Windows 11 ISO file directly from Microsoft. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type Windows 11 ISO and hit the Enter key. Select the very first link from Microsoft to load the official download page. Once you are there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Click the drop-down menu under Select Download and choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Now you need to select your product language. I am using English United States, but make sure you pick the language that matches your current Windows installation to ensure a smooth upgrade. A new button will appear for the 64-bit download. Go ahead and left-click that button to start the download. This file is around 7 to 8 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, it might take a while. This is a great time to grab a snack or a cup of coffee. Once your download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder. Find the Windows 11 ISO file, right-click on it, and select Mount from the context menu. This creates a virtual drive on your computer. A new window should pop up showing the files inside. If it does not, just open File Explorer and look for the new drive under this PC. Now this is super important, so listen closely. Take note of the drive letter assigned to this mounted ISO. Mine is D, but yours might be E or F or something else. Write it down because we are going to use it right now. We need to open a command prompt with administrator privileges to work our magic. Click the Start button and type CMD into the search bar. When command prompt appears, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt pops up, click Yes. Now your command prompt is ready. In the command prompt, we need to move into that mounted ISO drive. Type your drive letter followed by a colon. For me, that is D:. Hit Enter. Your prompt should now show your drive letter, like D'. Now here is the command that makes everything possible in 2026. Type this exactly as I say it, and be very careful with the spaces. Type setup.exe /product server /compat ignore warning migrate-drivers all. Double check that you have every space and every slash in the right place, then hit Enter. A Windows setup window will pop up. Now do not panic if it says installing Windows Server. It is not actually installing a server version. This is just a clever disguise to skip the TPM and CPU checks. It will install the correct edition for you, whether that is Windows 11 Home or Pro. Now, before we move forward, click on the text that says Change How Setup Downloads Updates. You will see two choices here. The first option, which is to download updates, drivers, and optional features, is actually the recommended path for most users. However, to get through this setup a bit faster today, I'm going to select Not Right Now. Once that is selected, go ahead and click the Next button. Accept the terms and conditions. When it asks what you want to keep, I highly recommend selecting Keep Personal Files, Apps, and Settings. This ensures all your photos and programs stay right where they are. If this option is grayed out, it means the language of the ISO you downloaded does not match your current system language. To check your language, go down to your taskbar, right-click it, then click on the Settings. From the main Settings window, click on the section labeled Time and Language, and click on Language. Right at the top, under the heading Windows Display Language, you will see exactly what your system is using. As you can see on my screen, mine is set to English United States. If everything looks good, go back to the setup, then click on Next. Then finally on Install. Now, for some affordable Windows activation. While those files are copying and your PC is doing all the heavy lifting, I have a special tip for you. If you want to activate your fresh install, or finally get rid of that annoying watermark in the corner, here is the easiest way to do it. Fire up your browser and head over to premiumcdkey.com. Search for Windows 11 Professional Retail Key. You will find legitimate working keys at truly awesome prices. Add one to your cart, and at the checkout, make sure to use my discount code TECH9 for even more savings. You can complete your purchase using secure options like Visa or even crypto. Your unique key will arrive in your email inbox within minutes. Once your installation is done, you just go to Settings, then System, then Activation, and enter your new key. Boom! You have a fully activated and official version of Windows 11. I have placed the product link in the video description for you. Back to the PC, it might restart several times during this process. Do not touch anything, and please do not turn it off. Just let it do its thing. Once the initial setup is finished, you will see a screen titled Choose Privacy Settings for your device. For the sake of this video, I am just going to click Next to get through this part quickly, but I strongly suggest you check each setting, like location, Find My Device, and diagnostic data, and make your own choices based on your personal preferences. Once you are through those final screens, you will finally be sitting at your brand new Windows 11 version 25 H2 desktop. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this community. Stay passionate, keep tinkering, and I will catch you in the next one.